Yo, LashawnTerry back here with a recipe for you. So the recipe I have is for, I guess, a breakfast bowl, you want to call it. You see the potatoes and stuff. I know everybody know how to make bacon and an omelet. But for my breakfast bowl, I diced up some the round yellow potatoes. I had 5. I diced those up because it's for, I'm feeding 2 boys and myself, and just to have some. I used 2 different types of sausage. I used a smoked beef sausage link, and I used I believe it's a chicken sausage with roasted red peppers. I used 2 peppers, a green one and a red one. I diced up both. I used a whole sweet yellow onion, and I just seasoned it with my seasonings. I used okay, so I'm back. So these are the seasonings that I used. I always use Himalayan sea salt for my food, adobo, black pepper. I use sweet paprika. I just shake this over the potatoes because I put that in the pan first. And then the Bragg's organic herbs, spice seasoning. There's no salt in this, so I just use that to get the herbs. I found all of these at Sprouts. So I dumped everything in my cast iron pan. I have this it's like a cast iron pot my dad sent me for Christmas last year. And so I dumped everything in that pot and just let it cook down. And I didn't have to add any water to it. I guess the condensation from when I put the lid on just helped the potatoes to soften up and everything to cook, and just kept stirring it up. And so that's what I did for my breakfast bowl. And then I cooked the bacon in the oven, and I just made an omelet. This is a 3-egg omelet with a little milk splashed in it, and Munster cheese. I like Munster cheese because it gives it that stretch like mozzarella cheese. So this is dinner for tonight. So thank you for watching. Thank you for subscribing. Please leave your comments in the box below. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up on the way in. Let me know if you want to make this recipe. If you have made it, how did it come out? What did you do differently? And all of the above. And with that being said, peace out.